Guys, let's enjoy the color and alphabet G to L. Green color, black color, red color, orange color, blue color, yellow color. First, green color, Z. Green color, Z. Z for goal. Green color, G. Z for goal. Green color, G. G for God. Green color, G. G for God. G for goal. Black color, Ace. Ace for horse. Black color, Ace. Ace for horse. Ace for house. Ace for horse. Ace for house. Red color, I. I for igloo. I for igloo. I for ice cream. I for ice. Orange color. Orange color, Z. Z for jug. Z for zoot. Orange color, Z. Z for zoot. Blue color. Blue color, K. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. Z. Z for God. H for horse. I for igloo. J for zoot. K for kite. L for lion. Thank you.